All right, so now you can see what the guide looks like with that introduction or that top box. All right, so that's what that would look like. What we're going to do is we're going to go back to our final project handout and take a look at those required elements. And again, I strongly suggest that you assign yourself due dates along the way as you're working on this project. It's a big project. There are a lot of pieces. So make sure that you manage your time so that it's not a rush at the end. So when you're building your LibGuide, you're going to create your profile, which would be an image of you. Make it professional. It doesn't have to be at work, but something that gives a sense of you as a professional. We want a clear quality, and you're going to include your COD email. And if you wanted to add a social media contact, that's optional. All right, so let's go back into our LibGuide. This is where we were creating our page, but we're going to we're going to move out of the guide for a second and go back home to our home page. And this is where we first landed when we logged in, or pretty close to where we landed. We want to be on this page. You'll see over here, this is where your information will be. So you're going to click on that Edit Profile box tool. You can change your title from librarian to library staff, LTA, whatever you'd like it to be. You're going to upload a new profile image. Okay, so you would select that image. It should be on your computer. You would be wanting to have that accessible somewhere. So you could find an image, your image, and then you want to make sure that it's, notice the dimension of my image. Usually you're looking for something around 150 pixels. Okay, so that's usually what I would go with. And then go ahead and open that. And there's the picture. You want to add your contact, so there's your email address. We're going to add that in. Okay, and you're going to add that on the page in the box, and then that should add it in there. Here's the social media. If you wanted to add something, feel free to, but you don't have to. And then you will save that. Okay, so that would be your profile box. And this is what your profile page would look like. Okay, so that would be that. You're going to go back up to home and LibGuides. Okay, and you should be able to go up to content. I usually work from this yellow bar here, and I go to content and guides. That's probably the easiest way to maneuver around the LibGuides page. And you want to find the one that you're using for this class. So there it is. Okay, and then when you add that box, there's the profile box. So you want to make sure to have that included as well. So taking a look back at our project page, now we've added an image, and now we're going to add some content as well. Okay, so we added the home page. We want the profile to be on there, introduction to topic, add a visual, and then if there's any helpful information, you can add that also. And then there's are your 3 supporting topic pages that we will get to in the next video.